Hello, it's me, Holly again. Welcome to my channel. And look what I got in the mail. It's my IPSY January 2022 Glam Bag. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I got is this MOTD blending sponge. Nice, I love a blending sponge. Next, I got this Origins moisturizer for my friend. It was my choice. You get one choice in the IPSY Glam bag, so I chose this because I know she loves it. Aren't I such a sweet friend? Ooh. Okay, so next I got this Lottie London retractable eyeliner in Velvet. I've gotten this before in a previous bag in a brown shade. Velvet, the one I have here, is like a dusty, smoky purple, dark purple shade. I have it swatched here. It's boring. It's not that pretty. I wasn't impressed with the brown one, not impressed with this one, so meh. Okay, next I got this Shades by Shan Latte bronzer. The bronzer is called Latte. It looks like this. I love bronzers, so I was really excited to get this. This is a light shade. I'm super pale. It works for me. I've been getting really comfortable with bronzers lately, and I definitely plan on showing you how I apply it in a future video, so I'm happy to have another one. They used to scare me, but now I love them. Okay, last but not least, I got this Belle and Ardent Call Sheet and Production eyeshadow duo. It's basically a matte tan and a shimmery purple taupe. I love these. I love eyeshadow, so I'm really excited about this one. All right, that does it for my IPSY January 2022 Glam Bag unbagging. So let's get into rating this bag. The way I rate my IPSY bags is like this. So let's say I liked all 5 products. Then I would give this bag 5 stars, 1 star for every product I like. Another example would be if I only liked 4 out of the 5 products. Again, I would give every product I liked a star, so that'd be 4 out of 5 star rating. So let's see, with this bag, I definitely would give the bronzer a star. I would give the eyeshadow a star. The Beauty Blender from MOTD a star. The moisturizer from Origins, I would say half a star because I personally am not excited about it, but I did get it to bless a friend, and that warms my cold little black heart to give her a gift that she loves. So half a star for that. No stars for this. This pencil is boring, and I didn't like the other one I got, and I was kind of disappointed to see it in my bag. So that means this bag got a 3.5 star rating by me. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.